आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, in this question we have if fx equals to minimum of mod x, comma 1 minus mod x, comma 1 by 4 where x belongs to real number, then find the value of minus 1 to 1 integration fx dx. So what we have function as minimum of mod x, 1 minus mod x and 1 by 4. Now if I draw this on our Cartesian plane, then what will I get? I'll get, this is my Cartesian plane here, right? Now we have graph of mod x. So this is the graph of mod x. Now this is the graph of mod x. Now what is the graph of 1 minus mod x? So if you put x equals to 0, the value of y is 1. Now if you put x equals to y equals to 0, then the value of mod x is what? 1. So if I say this is the graph of y equals to mod x, then what should be the graph of y equals to minus mod x? Let me draw it for you. And this is something like this. This is the graph of y equals to minus mod x, but I need 1 minus mod x, so the graph of 1 minus mod x will be shifted 1 point upward, so we have what? We have this as 1 point upward, so the graph here will be look like this. This is the graph of y equals to 1 minus mod x, and we need y equals to 1 by 4. Now let's suppose this is y equals to 1 by 4. This is y equals to 1 by 4. This point. Let me clear it. This point. So if I draw the line y equals to 1 by 4, I have something like this. Right? So this is the graph we have. Now we need to calculate this shaded region. We need to calculate. Why? Because if you draw perpendicular on the intersection points, then you will find that this point is minimum. We have this point is minimum, this point is minimum. Similarly, this point is minimum, this point is minimum, and this point is minimum. So this is the point we have. Right? Now the area of shaded portion is what? Now this will look like a trapezium, right? This point is 1, this point is minus 1. Now we need to find what is this point. Now if you solve it, this is the graph of y equals to mod x. So you will get, if y equals to 1 by 4, then x is also equals to 1 by 4. So this point is 1 by 4 comma 0. Now for this point, what is this point? Now this is the graph of y equals to 1 minus mod x. Now if you put y equals to 1 by 4, then this will become 3 by 4. The value of x will become 3 by 4. So this point is 3 by 4, right? So the distance between them, 1 by 4 and 3 by 4 is what? 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. This distance is basically 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. So this is my trapezium, and the formula for trapezium is what? 2 times half into sum of parallel sides into height. Now why 2 times? Because we have two areas here. So on solving this, we'll get, now what is sum of parallel sides? Sum of parallel side is, we have this as 1 and this as 1 by 2. So I can write it as 1 plus 1 by 2 into, and what is my height? My height is My height is here 1 by 4. My height is here 1 by 4. The value of phi is 1 by 4. So we have 3 by 2 into 1 by 4, and finally our answer is 3 by 8 square units. This is my final answer. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।